Governor, what is your response to the lawsuit filed against your administration by Scott Eckersley?
Well, as I've said before, I'm confident that the decision to dismiss this young man was indeed lawful and that the case is without merit. We retain and release more emails than any other elected official. That includes the Attorney General, whose office has admitted they routinely delete emails. We're retaining and releasing more emails than any other elected official. So I've said that I think we can even do more, and that's why I've issued a directive to the Office of Administration to develop a plan to permanently retain all those emails, and we'll continue to move forward with that.
Governor, the lawsuit claims that Henry Herschel and Ed Martin advised other general counsels of departments and your own staff to delete emails so that they would not have to be turned over in response to sunshine law requests. Do you acknowledge that occurred? Were you aware of it at the time? Did you approve of it?
Yeah, and I'm not going to get into the practice of responding to accusations and lawsuits.
Why not? I think it's a pretty relevant question. Let's pretend it's not in the lawsuit. Did Henry Herschel and...
I'm not going to pretend it's something that's not. It's an accusation in a lawsuit, and thus I'm not going to respond to it.
But is it accurate? I mean, were you aware that they were doing this?
I'm not going to respond to accusations in lawsuits means I wouldn't.
Okay.
I'm not going to respond to accusations in lawsuits. This person is sued. It's now a matter for the courts, and I don't think it's very inappropriate to discuss.
Governor, you have said several times that our office routinely retains and releases more emails than anybody else.
Yep.
This lawsuit is the result of an ongoing series of stories by a number of people all over the state that there were specific requests for specific emails from various employees of your office. Were any of those requests satisfactorily fulfilled under the state sunshine law?
Yeah. And I believe they were, because we follow the sunshine law and again, retain and release more emails than any other elected official in the state of Missouri.
So
thank you all very much.
So the reporters who asked for the emails got the emails?
Governor, there's only two questions on this topic.